Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You're most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. Spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day here in my class and be a fluent English speaker very shortly. Today I'll read two beautiful stories with two beautiful lessons for all of us. Try to follow me. Yes, with all your attention. Now the stories. But you have to wait a bit till the end to know the names and the morals. Let's start. The first story. One day in the forest, a fawn was browsing among some ferns with her mother. It was peaceful there in the shelter of the forest growth. Suddenly, from a distance came the sound of baying hounds. The mother deer stood stock still and began to tremble. Mother, said the fawn, you are bigger than our dog, and swifter of foot, and better winded, and you have horns with which to defend yourself. Why are you so afraid of the hounds? The mother smiled and said, all this, my child, I know full well. But no sooner do I hear a dog bark than somehow or other my heels take me off as fast as they carry me. The name of the story, The Fawn and Her Mother. The moral, there is no arguing a coward into courage. The second story. A milkmaid was on her way to market, carrying a pail of milk on the top of her head. As she walked along the road in the early morning, she began to turn over in her mind what she would do with the money she would receive for the milk. I shall buy some hens from the neighbor, said she to herself, and they will lay eggs every day, which I shall sell to the pastor's wife. And with the egg money, I'll buy myself a new frock and ribbon. Green they should be, for green becomes my complexion best. And in this lovely green gown, I'll go to the fair, and all the young men will strive to have me for a partner. I shall pretend that I do not see them. When they become too insistent, I shall disdainfully toss my head like this. And as the milkmaid spoke, she tossed her head back, and down came the pail of milk, spilling all over the ground. And so all her imaginary happiness vanished, and nothing was left but an empty pail and the promise for a scolding when she returned home. The name of the story, The Milkmaid and Her Pail. And the moral, do not count our chickens before they are hatched.